friends, making this video from Osaka, Japan. It's 7 a.m. and because most stores and restaurants do not open before 10 a.m. here in Japan, convenience stores like Lawson, 7-Eleven, and Family Mart, they're like our saving grace for us jet-lagged travelers, okay? And so I just went to Family Mart, there's one right across from our hotel, and bought a bunch of food. Yes, I got drinks, I got ramen, I got snacks, everything. And we're gonna try them together. I think this is gonna be my channel's first mukbang. Let me tie my hair up so that I can eat comfortably. I am also going to have a food vlog out because I eat a lot here in Osaka. Okay, hair is up. First thing that I got is this duck sukiyaki shopao bun. It's hot, so I want to eat it now. Wow. It's like really smoky too. This is one of those items that you can get at the front near the cash register, the ready to eat ones. I also got my favorite thing ever in Japan, Oden. My favorite thing to get in Oden is the konjac jelly. So I got that. That's the only thing I got. This is the konjac jelly. Man, that's my comfort food right here. It has a texture very similar to squid. Okay, I also bought 2 instant ramen and miso soups that I have to heat up, so I'll do that in a little bit. But okay, moving on to some things. This I have purchased a very similar variety before, but when you go to convenience stores in Japan, you have to get their rice balls or their onigiris. And this one that I got here is a barley with plum, shiso, and greens. I honestly feel like if I lived here, I'd be getting this all the time because I crave rice a lot, but sometimes I don't want like a full meal. I just want a little rice snack, and this is so perfect. It's so Japanese tasting. It's a little bit tangy. Has a little pickled plum throughout, and then it has rice and barley. So there's 2 different types of textures in your mouth. And the shiso leaves, it's a very fragrant type of leaf that is in a lot of Japanese cuisine. It adds a really nice flavor. The texture is so al dente. I got this very viral sandwich that I feel like everyone always gets in Japan. It is this fruit sando. This one has tangerines, strawberry, and pineapple. Look at that. It's crustless, so it's gonna be very pillowy. Can't go wrong. It's so satisfying. It's basically just cream and fruit on white crustless bread. Okay, before we move on to the noodles and the soup, because I have to boil water for that. Actually, let me go boil that right now. Okay, while that's boiling, I'm gonna have some drinks. I am gonna try this one first. This is a yogurt drink, white peach. And I feel like Japanese people do white peach very well, so that's why I wanted to get this flavor. And I believe this is like a drinkable yogurt, basically. So it has probiotics in there that are good for you, which I definitely need after all the eating in Osaka. Let's try it. Oh, it's sweeter than I expected, and it has bits of white peach in it. Very creamy. Okay, we are really jumping around, like, for real, because the next drink I'm gonna try is alcoholic. I've been seeing this everywhere. It's the Suntory Strong Zero. It has 9% alcohol, and it's a lemon flavor. And what it is exactly, I can't say I know for sure, but I believe it's some kind of like a lemon soda with sochu in it. But it's 9%, which is really strong. I'm so excited to try this because I see it all the time. We're just gonna have a sip, okay? Because 7 a.m. is a little early to be drinking full-on alcohol. Ooh, it smells good. It smells super lemony. All right, strong zero. Ooh, okay. Tastes like a sparkling lemonade, but with like a bitter alcohol taste. And you can't even tell what the alcohol is actually. It's just like a bitter, you just know there's alcohol in it. It tastes like some kind of maybe cheap alcohol. Ooh, it's good. I can tell how this could be very dangerous. Yeah, this is very dangerous because it's good. Like you can tell there's alcohol in there, but it's not a very strong alcohol taste. It's good. I'm gonna put that to the side. Okay, next I got this chicken yakitori potato chip from Calbee. Look at that. Let's try it. See if it really tastes like chicken skewers. Well, first of all, I really like the texture of these potato chips. Super crunchy, savory. Yes, I'm getting that peppery taste from like that they put in how they season the chicken skin. The chicken, I'm getting that. I can even taste the char grilled flavor too of the skewers. Wow. Power couple. I'm gonna make my soup and ramen noodles now. The first soup that I got is this. It says Asari Clam Miso Soup. And then I got this Yokohama Tonkotsu Shoyu Ramen. Ooh, they give you some flavored oil at the top too. Okay, let me go make these. Actually, I wanted to show you guys what the contents look like of the miso soup real quick. This is like actual clams. There are actually like 5 clams in this packet. And then the miso soup packet. So cute. Okay, I'm gonna go make it. Okay, the miso soup is here. Let me just mix it. I feel like I can eat this immediately. Maybe I'll wait just a little bit more. While I wait then, it's a cheese and cod snack. It looks very interesting, right? Like these milky white sticks. Oh, smells like string cheese. Ooh. Cheese and cod? Okay. Tastes like string cheese, like a mozzarella cheese. It's a little bit harder. And it tastes a little hint of fish. Kind of good. It does feel weird that this is like not perishable though, because it's just sitting outside. Because like when I think of cheese, I think of the fact that it needs to be refrigerated. Pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna try the miso soup now. Here it is. All the meat escaped from the clams. They're probably at the bottom of this cup. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow. You can literally taste the clam brine. It's really pretty addicting. Let me see if I can fish for a clam. Okay, I got a clam. Yay. How do they do it? It tastes so fresh. That should go very well with the rice ball. Okay, another interesting snack that I got that I feel like would go very well with the ramen once it's done is this ume plum flavored seaweed. This was also in the non-perishable section, but it looks yeah, just like a little side dish that you usually have, a little seaweed side dish. Oh, it comes individually packaged. Oh man, that's kind of cool. So like if you're eating ramen or something and you want a little side dish, you can just like bring one of these with you. Oh, they're good. Seaweed with pickled plum flavor. Sour and sweet. I'm gonna save these 2 strips to eat with the instant noodles, which should be done any minute now. It's a really heavy cup of ramen. This is how big it is. And it is filled to the brim, I'm telling you. Look at that. I don't know if you can see. I don't want to spill the soup. It's filled to the actual brim, because usually, you know, it's like right here. It's actually filled up to here. This is a complete meal. This is less than $2. Oh man, this broth. This broth looks so like thick and rich. And this is like the thickest ramen broth I've ever seen. For instant noodles, at least. Okay, let's try. Why is everything impressing me that I bought? I like it. I've never had Yokohama ramen. It kind of has like a pickled vegetable taste, or like I'm getting like pickled bamboo or something. Noodles are pretty thick and pretty doughy and chewy and hearty. Wow. For less than $2, I would get this all the time. And the packet that it came with at the top, it was like a lard or something. Adds a little bit of depth to the broth. So good. Okay, guys, moving on to the desserts. Oh, there's one that I am so excited to eat. I actually went to Family Mart last night and I resisted getting this because I knew I wanted to get it in the morning. It is this pudding parfait. Look at how beautiful this is. So it has the caramel, like kind of flan-like pudding at the top. Then it has a cream. Then it has like a shortbread. Then it has maybe like a coffee jelly and more pudding or custard or cream. It's beautiful. Okay, I really want to just shovel this in and try to get every layer if possible. It's gonna be a little ambitious. Can I do this? Maybe I can't. Ooh. Oh, maybe I can. Okay, wait, I'm trying to get this for the camera too. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think I did it. Yes, yes. It's really soft, not overly sweet. I do wish maybe the shortbread or like the cake part was a little bit more noticeable, because everything is really soft. Like, it's super soft. You barely need to chew. Even though everything's really soft, you can still very distinctly tell each layer, like the coffee jelly, the pudding, the cream. There's still a texture party in your mouth. 10 out of 10. My last couple of desserts, they're more like candy, but I got this Pocky. We all know Pocky, classic Pocky, but I got this double white chocolate one. So it's like wrapped in double the amount of chocolate or flavoring. Let's try this. Oh, you know what? No, it says it's vanilla bean. It's vanilla bean, actually. It is individually wrapped. Ooh, yeah, it's thick. You can even see bits of black because it's like real vanilla bean, I think. You can see these little black specks. Oh, it is good. Can you see that? It's like a really thick white vanilla bean coating. That's good. I also got a candy. I have always been intrigued by these candies that have really cute packaging. So I got this, and I think it's maybe like a Coke flavored gummy and then maybe like a yogurt flavored gummy. This is also resealable, so I can bring it back to the States. I'm not gonna eat it all right now. A little yellow gummy. Is this Coke? I can't even tell. It is kind of like a Coke, I think. Oh, and then here's the white one. It's so cute. It's like a Calpico flavored. And they're so cute. They're like sweating. Okay, to finish up this video, because I've tried everything now, I got this, which I've never had before, but because Andrew and I have been eating and walking around nonstop here in Osaka, I figured that I'd get something that would boost our immune system a little bit. And I think this is what this is, or maybe like a hangover drink, or maybe like a shot of vitamin C. It has a lemon and then a plus. So I don't know. I think this is gonna be good for me. Whoa, it's a little sparkling. I'm gonna have this to end off this little mukbang. Ooh, it's like a Sprite. No, not a Sprite. It's like a sparkling lemonade, but with a lot of lemons squeezed in, like twice the amount of lemons. That's a wrap for this video. Andrew and I still have half a day here in Osaka, and everything that we eat is going to be in a separate vlog. So stay tuned for that. Osaka is known for food. It is known as the kitchen of Japan. So we've just been here eating some amazing food. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Hope this was fun. And maybe next time you come, you can try some of these things too. Have a great week, everyone, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.